Hey there, this is Carmen Marie with the all new Happy Me and Project Blog to Heal, here to tell you that it is time to step it up. You have been doing the gratitude challenge for some time now, and really, I'm absolutely flabbergasted at the results. I am so delighted to see life transformation before my eyes, completely beyond my expectations. The blog posts have been phenomenal, they have been very inspirational, and I really see how you have been able to benefit from the gratitude challenge yourself. However, I still think that it is time to step out of your comfort zone and build your confidence level even further. This is all about personal development. So this assignment is really going to help you step it up. So I want you to realize something. Where you are today is very far from where you were just 2 months ago. You have learned so much, and all that you have learned, you can teach your audience. But your audience, first of all, has to find you, and then you have to be able to give value by teaching that message of hope to your reader. So that's basically what we are going to work on. So your audience member is basically who you were 2 months ago. That audience member needs to hear your message of hope, needs to get that information to be able to pull himself or herself, we'll call her just to make it simple. She needs to read that information so that she can move forward, learn and grow just the way you have. You are basically going to shorten her learning curve by providing value, by teaching what you have learned yourself. What you have learned isn't just something that you read, you actually experienced it. So now you can talk about it, you can blog about it, and your reader will be able to take that information and use it for herself. So you know that that's the dynamics, that's the interaction that we're looking for. So you, first of all, have to be able to reach out and attract that audience member. She doesn't know you exist. However, she does have questions. She does have issues and problems that she is looking for answers for. So put yourself in her shoes. You were there just 2 months ago. If you are having a certain number of problems, let's just choose one problem, and you wanted the answer to that problem, what would you do? You'd probably go on Google and type down your question. Let's say, as an example, the question is, how can I see the positive in very difficult situations? Now, you have been blogging gratitude for some time, so you can probably answer that question. Or you can tell a story that answers that question. So that's basically the value that you're going to be able to put out there. However, you are going to base yourself on that question in order to form your blog post in a way that answers the person's, that audience member's question. So you're going to take that question, you're going to come up with questions that identify the problem that this reader may have, and you're going to use that question as your header. So if my question was, how do I find something positive in difficult situations, you're going to find a header that's very related to that. So your header might be something like, how to find the silver lining in difficult situations, or how to find something positive when everything's going wrong. Something along those lines. It's going to be a how-to. You can also change that into the top 5 tips or the best way to. Anything that really relates to an answer to the question that your audience member may have. And then the body of your blog, whether an audio, video, or text, is basically going to be the answer. Use your stories, your experiences, something you've read, something you've learned from a video or from hearing someone else's story, whatever it may be. You are going to give the answer to the question. You may actually even take something that already exists, a YouTube video from an expert. import it into your blog post and put a review of it, or something from your own experiences that is a complementary to that video. Whatever, however you want to do it, you can create a blog post very easily to provide that answer. Now, what that does is that it reaches out to that reader who may otherwise not have found you. But other than that, it really helps you because you digest that information a lot better now that you are teaching it instead of just writing about it. So that's basically the exercise that I want you to experiment with. I want you to play with it. It's all about attraction marketing, but we are going to use it in our gratitude challenge. And I think it's going to help you a lot in terms of confidence, in terms of getting you out there and seeing that really there is an audience who is ready to hear your message of hope. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, please send me your comments and let's see how we do on this. I think it's going to be great. Bye.